Hi, this is Jane, and I'm reviewing the Apollo Pink Tools with durable plastic case. When you buy this product, a donation to the Breast Cancer Research Fund is made. That's why the pink. It is a 135-piece household tool kit. Let me open this baby for you. There's instructions on the power cord, screwdriver, and then a warning label just that it's important to wear goggles, protective eye equipment. But look at this. Isn't this beautiful? And of course, I love the pink. The reason I even wanted to get this was because my husband always has our tools with him in his truck. And I don't have my own tools, just for small household jobs. Now, you hear that? That's the power of this little guy. And it is the power rechargeable screwdriver with a forward and a reverse. So you can take a screw out, put it in. It takes about 2 hours to charge and holds the charge depending on how long you're using it, probably several hours, depending on, like I said, how long that you use it. So let's look at these bits that are in here that go in the screw driver. Tells the size on them. You can see the tips of them, and comes with another pack here. I can get it out over the scissors. Let me get the scissors out here. They are packed in really well, and I like that because there's nothing worse than opening your tool chest and having the tools all over the place. These are different heads on them for different projects. So I'm going to put this one back in nice and tight. And we'll just take one of these out. Sure we will. Well, since I can't fool around with time-wise, I will use the needle nose pliers or the thin tip pliers to pull it out. So there we go. And it's easy as putting it in, getting your screw in, goes the other way when you want to take a screw out. Always make sure that your hand is not on the drill because it does not have a safety lock on it. And this is just made for a woman's hand or a small person's hand. When you use it, don't use it like this. Don't use it like this. Use it in this fashion right here. Now you say, well, what if I have to go like that? Well, you still are going straight down, but don't do it at an angle. So that is the power drill. It's wonderful. Put this guy back so we don't lose him. And they pack in really tightly right here. Then I already showed you, but you have the thin tip or needle nose pliers. And it also has, I don't know if you know anything about tools, but it has this wire cutter, which is nice. Need to snip a wire from something. These are not professional grade tools. These are for everyday household use. Scissors, which are very, very nice and sharp. Even has a pink magnetic See the magnetic strip? Magnetic level. So you can see if it's level, the bubble's in the middle. And at different angles, you can see the bubbles in the middle right here. Same thing with this one. So, and what I like about it is magnetic. So if you need that, you have it. Okay. I'm not having trouble putting these in. These are made to be snug. You also have a little chisel or paint scraper, putty blade. They all have really strong grips, and they also have holes in them. So if you want to hang them on hooks in your garage or in your workshop or whatever, I like the most about this. Well, I like it all, but I like that it has made for women or small people, people with small hands. This is your adjustable wrench. Put that on, turn whatever you need to. Really durable, very durable. Close it up so I can get it back in its little spot here. It also comes with this might be hard to get out, with a 100-piece set of things to hang tacks and hooks. You need to hang something on the wall. It also does have the wall hangers for pictures. I can't tell if I'm showing you that. There you go. It has also nails, screws, and then the plastic piece that are you seeing that? That you drive into the wall and then put your screw in. That extra solid protection there. So that's 100 pieces right there, just in those little things. Down in it goes. Also has some PVC tape, electrical tape. Need that. And sometimes you do. Ladies, you didn't think maybe you would, but you might. I like these because they're pink and they're cute. They're screwdrivers. You have 4 individual ones. If you don't want to use the powered screwdriver, you have 4 individual. You have the flatheads and the Phillips head screwdrivers. And what I like about these is that you can put your screwdriver in and turn it, and screw in the screw like this instead of having to push and pull. And because I myself am not very strong, and so it doesn't take much for me to not be able to do anything. Hammer, pink hammer, the claw hammer where you can remove nails. Now this is sturdy enough for household things. I wouldn't try hammering or trying to break up like a block of cement or something, because I think that just reading the instruction or not the description of the metal, it may chip. So I would just use it for your household items, but it's really cool. And what person that is doing household jobs doesn't need their own tape measure? And of course it locks. You keep it to your measurement, and then it goes back in. Carry it around your wrist if you want, I guess. But that's cute, and it is also pink. And last, certainly not the least of all this, is a blade. box cutting, whatever you want to use the blade for. Be careful, it is very sharp. It retracts, which is really good. It retracts really easily. Out and in. Very good. So this is such a wonderful, wonderful toolkit. I just had to show you. And if you notice that as I'm closing it up, nothing goes out of place. Because that's why when you saw me kind of having a little bit of trouble putting the things back in, I really didn't have trouble putting them back in. It's just they're that strong and secure that they're not going to go anywhere when they're closed up like this. And one other thing I want you to really remember is your goggles. This is Jane. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. And I can't close my video.